case of today's video is going to be on this Danarm chainsaw. It's a powered by a Villiers engine, 98cc, fairly big thing. I do have the bar for it, but it's removed, there's no chain. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but we've cleaned the point and I poured some petrol down the plug hole. So this is going to be the first attempt to see if it will run. So we'll give it a few pulls over, see if it'll go. Fire. It lives. Well, there we have it. She does run. I think the carb needs cleaning. The petrol tank's not brilliant. Well, the tap isn't brilliant. The tap's a little bit buggered, so we'll give it all a clean. See if we can get it running proper. But yeah, it's quite good. Quite a nice little success on that little chainsaw. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Like I say, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but yeah, there may be another video, there may not be. But anyway, thought you may be interested, so thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.